This video explains how to buy shares of LENZ Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LENZ. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy LENZ, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. On eToro, use the search bar and enter the ticker LENZ to locate the correct listing. Confirm that you select the official NASDAQ entry for LENZ before proceeding. Open the LENZ stock page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Check the profile and ticker to make sure this is the correct LENZ listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.